What if there was a way to generate a detailed buyer persona for a product or service you want to sell? What if you could do that for any market and for any type of business? And what if you could do that in any language? Wouldn't that be wonderful? Well, keep watching, my friends, because I have a surprise for you. What is up, everyone? Ronnie here. Welcome back to the channel. This is the best place for you to learn about Canva, for you to learn about AI and all of these AI generative tools that will help you supercharge your business or any project you might be working on. Today, I have something else that will blow your mind. I've been working all day on this and I really needed to press that record button to share it with you. So without further ado, I want to show you what I'm talking about. I'm gonna stop talking and I'm just going to show it to you. All right, are you ready for this? Let's jump into ChatGPT. All right, guys, it starts right here with this box that says Buyer Persona Legend by RunGPT. So what this is a prompt template that I have created. It took me all day to make this the perfect prompt, and I tested and tested and tested it again. So now it is perfect. Now it is working. And the only thing you need to get started and to generate that detailed buyer persona that I promised is simply to enter this information right here. What does your business sell? Dash, where are your clients? So I'm gonna post my first prompt right here. I'm selling vegan ice cream in Barcelona. Okay, I'm gonna click the little button right here, and ChatGPT is going to start generating different tables in which I will have some detailed information about my buyer persona. Okay, you see the name, age, occupation, annual income, marital status, family situation, location, even gives me the name of the neighborhood in Barcelona. Then I have a little user description. Lucia is a single 29-year-old yoga instructor living in Gracia, Barcelona. She is a health conscious and has a soft spot for plant-based food. She values quality, authenticity, and sustainability. Then I have another table with the psychographics, and then I have the last table, table number 4 right here, with her shopping behaviors. Her budget per ice cream, shopping frequency, preferred channel, local health food, farmers market, online behavior. She researches the product and brand. She reads reviews. The search term that she uses: organic, fair trade, vegan, sustainable. Preferred brands, brand with eco-friendly packaging and ethical practices. The triggers, the stuff that make her buy the products: high quality ingredients, unique flavors, or eco-friendly packaging. And some barriers she might have, like limited availability or the high prices. So all of that information I was able to generate with the help of my friend ChatGPT here by simply prompting a product that I sell and a location, a market. So that is pretty amazing in my opinion, but I don't know. What do you say? You want to see another one? All right, let's try this again. So again, I'm gonna generate a new chat using Buyer Persona Legend by RunGPT. Click on this. All right, so I need to paste another business right here. All right, let's try something else. Let's try Canva template sets in the Philippines. Okay, let's try that. So one thing I love here is that ChatGPT is adapting. It recognizes differences in the cultural context. The name of my target persona right here, Sofia Reyes. So that sounds like a very Filipino name to me. Okay, Sofia is a 27-year-old freelance graphic designer from Manila. She earns an income of 700,000 Filipino pesos and lives with her parents. She is single and actively seeking creative inspiration to help her design projects stand out. She's interested in drawing, painting, traveling, baking, and photography. Some of her challenges: finding the right client who appreciate her work, competing with other designers in the market, and staying updated with the latest design trends and techniques. Her dream: she dreams to travel the world and experience different cultures, to be recognized as a successful and well-respected graphic designer, and to inspire others with her creative work. So this is pretty mind-blowing. I've been playing around with this, perfecting the answers that I was getting by crafting this template. And I've been feeding it a lot of different user personas to see how it reacted to them. Okay, so let's try another one so that you can see the breadth and you can see the diversity of the answers here and the possibilities. And then I will, of course, show you how you can start using this template. And this is going to be absolutely free. I'm not going to sell you anything in this tutorial. You won't have to pay for any extension, any program, any template. This will be free on me because I like you guys and I want to be helpful. And by all means, this is my very first ChatGPT prompt template. There will be others, but this is the first one. All right, that being said, let's try a third prompt with a very different persona here to show you kind of like the diversity of the answers we could receive. So don't forget to start a new chat. Okay, so start a new chat, use the template again. Okay, let's try this one. Lactose-free gulab jamun in India. Now, I can see a smile on all of our Indian viewers right there because you know what gulab jamuns are. And for the rest of you guys who don't know what gulab jamuns are, well, they are traditional Indian sweets, kind of like an Indian dessert, and they look like round balls like so in a liquid, like a sugary syrup, and they're delicious. Okay, but very often they're made out of milk powder. So what if I am lactose intolerant, I cannot have milk, but I still want to have like a gulab jamun, right? Well, that's exactly what this business right here is trying to investigate. Who would be the perfect target audience for this product? So let's see what ChatGPT can teach us about that. So we have demographics, Neela Sharma. She's 31, she's a marketing manager, she earns 1,008,000 Indian rupees. She's married and she's living with her husband and parents in Bangalore. Okay, so that's who she is. Now let's see about the psychographics. She's health conscious and she's lactose intolerant, but she's a sweet lover. Her hobbies, reading, traveling, cooking. She's interested in health and fitness, in nutrition. She aspires to stay healthy and fit and start her own business one day. Okay, professional goals, she wants to become a marketing director. Pains, difficulty finding lactose-free sweets. Main challenges, finding lactose-free food options in restaurants in India. Needs, healthy and delicious lactose-free food options. Obviously, her dream to start a successful business venture. Okay, so she has a budget for these lactose-free gulab jamuns. She's willing to pay a premium for higher quality products. She would love to buy them like once a week, online, in supermarkets. Before buying, she searches for reviews, she compares prices, and she purchases online. Search term that she uses, lactose-free, healthy sweets, gulab jamun. Preferred brands, local, organic, and premium brands. Triggers, health benefits, delicious taste, and positive reviews. And the barriers, limited availability, high price, and lack of awareness. So you tell me guys, is this beautiful or what? I think we are up to something. I want to put this into the hands of every marketer out there. You can just use that to research, can use that to create different buyer personas for yourself, for your client, for friends who want to start businesses. I think this is accurate. And not only accurate, but pretty detailed. All right, so how can you get your hands on this? Let me show you the steps. All right, so the first step is that you will need to be using Google Chrome because what we will be downloading is a Google Chrome extension. All right, so use Google Chrome. This is step number one. Step number two will be to find the extension. So you locate the three little dots right here. I'm going to click on that and go to More Tools. And in More Tools, you click on Extensions. Okay, this will bring you to the page where you find all of your current extensions. The one that you want to find is this one right here. It's called AIPRM for ChatGPT. So where do you have to search for this new extension because you won't have that already installed on your computer like I do? Well, very easy. Locate the little hamburger menu right here on the left side. Click on that. And then at the bottom right here, it says Open Chrome Web Store. So click on that. I'm going to click on that. It will open in a new window. So once I'm here, I'm going to be using the search box right here in the top left corner and type in AIPRM for ChatGPT. So that is the one. Click on this and you should see this one right here. It's black. It's called AIPRM. So once you have located the extension, you need to click on it and install it, add it to your Chrome browser so you can start using it. Once you do, it will probably ask you to log into your OpenAI account for ChatGPT. You will have to put your password there and then maybe refresh or reload your ChatGPT. And once you have done all that, this is the screen you should be seeing. So what this Chrome extension is, it's actually a repository of ChatGPT prompt templates. And you can scroll all the way down to the bottom right here, and you will see there are, at the moment of filming this video, 707 prompt templates on this. I wouldn't call this a marketplace because they're all free, so you won't have to pay for anything here, at least not at this stage, but it's kind of like a library of prompt templates. So how do you find my template? Well, I made it easy for you guys. Once you have downloaded the extension, once you are seeing this screen that I'm showing you right now, you can click on the link that is in the description of this video. And this link is a direct link to my prompt template. So when you click on it, you should land on this prompt right here. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. I would absolutely love at this stage if you could give me a little thumbs up on this prompt window right here where I explain what the prompt is all about, because this little thumbs up right here will help me upvote my prompt in this library so that more people can actually see it and use it. So if you like what it does, please give it a thumbs up to upvote it, to push it at the top of the search result. And maybe one day show it somewhere on this homepage right here. If the link I leave in the description doesn't work for some reason, it will work. But if it doesn't, you can always use the search box right here and search for buyer persona legend. Okay, buyer persona legend, that is the title I gave this prompt template. So once you find it, again, very easy to use it, just simply click on it and then you can start your prompt right here. So the way you need to prompt this, just like I did, is very simple. Just read the prompt right there. It says, what does your business sell? Dash, where are your clients? So just follow this structure. Don't forget the little dash. So let me show you one more example. For example, gold-plated Rolex in London. Okay, so I have what I sell and I have the location. Where are my clients located? I'm not going to wait for all of this to generate all of the information. I just wanted to show you the way you need to prompt this. So yeah, this should be working. It should generate a nice table every time you use it. All right, there is something else I want to show you guys, is that you can use this prompt in any language. Basically, I've tried it in a couple of different languages and it worked. It provided me my tables in my target language. So let's try one in French, for example, because after all, this is my native language and probably the language I speak the best. So let's go for French. I'm going to use the template. Okay, so make sure you click on the template first. And then I'm going to paste my target business. So Air Max 1 sneakers, you know me, I'm a big sneakerhead, in Brussels, my target market. And I'm going to change the output. You see this box right here that says English? I'm going to click here and find something else. You see a bunch of different languages right here, so feel free to try them. I don't speak all of these languages, so I cannot vouch for the output of all of this. But what I can show you is that it works. I tried in Spanish, I tried in French. I want to show you that it works in different languages. So output is français, oui monsieur. And let's try this. I'm gonna click here and it starts generating my tables in French. You see données, nom, Léa, âge, 26 ans, profession, étudiante en design de mode, gagne 20 000 euros par an, etc., etc. So my entire buyer persona has been generated in a different language, even though I prompted in English. So that is pretty amazing. You can choose the language of your output, and I definitely encourage you to play around with this. Let me know if it works well in your native language. I'm super curious to know about this. So there you go, that's all I wanted to show you today. I hope you will make good use of this. Let me know in the comment section if you would like me to create some other prompt templates, like what kind of templates? Let me know and I will do some research, try to generate these templates, share the link with you guys so you can start saving time. You can start working 10 times faster. What am I saying? Like 100 times faster. If I had to do all of this research, probably would have taken me 3-4 hours to generate something remotely as good as this. So yeah, let me know in the comments what other prompts you would like me to start working on, and I will start working on them. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave you with our playlist with all of our ChatGPT tutorials, and I would appreciate a subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to this channel. Thank you for watching. Play with this responsibly, and I will see you in the next video.